हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का हमारे चैनल हाई पेस एजुकेशन में स्वागत है। स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्लास में हम देखेंगे क्लास 10th केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड। स्टूडेंट्स, ये इस चैप्टर का थर्ड पार्ट है। इसके पहले जो दो पार्ट है वो हमने हमारे चैनल पर पहले से अपलोड कर दिए हैं। अगर आपने वो दो पार्ट फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो आप हमारे चैनल पर जाकर उन्हें देख सकते हैं। मैं उन दोनों पार्ट को ऊपर आई बटन में भी ऐड कर दूंगा। स्टूडेंट्स, ये नोट्स बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है और बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कि आपको एग्जाम में हाई स्कोर करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेंगे। इनके नोट्स के साथ में मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी देता जा रहा हूँ, जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पहले से बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आ चुके हैं। तो चलिए हमारे नोट्स को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। हर पेज को रीड करने के बाद मैं उसे लैंडस्केप में करूँगा, जिससे आप इन नोट्स और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकोगे और बाद में इनका आप प्रिंट आउट भी निकलवा सकते हो अपने रिविजन के लिए। चलिए कंटिन्यू करते हैं हमारा टॉपिक, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सोप मॉलिक्यूल। तो सो लॉन्ग हाइड्रोकार्बन टेल विच इज़ हाइड्रोफोबिक इन दैट इज़ वाटर रिपेलिंग, ऑयल soluble. Ionic head hydrophilic, which is water loving, oil insoluble. Cleansing action of soap, micelle, a spherical aggregate of salt molecule in the soap solution in water is called micelle. Emulsification, breaking down of large oil particle into smaller ones. Take the screenshot. The dirt present on clothes is organic in nature and insoluble in H2O. It cannot be removed by only washing with H2O. When soap is dissolved in water, its hydrophobic ends attach themselves to dirt and remove it from the cloth. Then the molecules of soap arrange themselves in micelle formation and trap the dirt at the center of the cluster. These micelles remain suspended in the water, hence the dust particles are easily rinsed away by H2O. The limitations are soap is not suitable for washing clothes in hard water because it reacts with Ca and Mg ions of hard H2O to form an insoluble precipitate called slum. Called scum. The scum sticks to the clothes and interfere with the cleansing ability of additional soap and does not form leather. Next, we'll read about detergents. It is the NA salt of long chain benzene sulfonate acid or long chain alkyl hydrogen sulfate. The reaction is given here. Take the screenshot. Now the differences between soap and detergent. First we'll read about the soap. It is the Na or K salt of long chain carboxylic acid which have cleansing properties in H2O. The ionic group is given here, not suitable for washing in hard water. Soaps are biodegradable. They have relatively weak cleansing action. Next is detergent. It is the Na salt of long chain benzene sulfonate acid or long chain alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Ionic group is given here. Can be used for washing in hard water. Detergents are non-biodegradable. They have strong cleansing action. Next, students, will read our question answers. Our notes are completed. So our question number first is, what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide has formula which has formula CO2. So electron dot structure is given here, you can see. Next is, how many structural isomers can you draw for pentane? So all the isomers are given here. The first one is on this page. Take the screenshot. The remaining two are on this page. Next question is, what are the true properties of carbon which lead to the huge number of carbon compounds we see around us? So first is the catenation. First property is catenation. It is a self-linking property of carbon due to its small size and high electronegativity, as a result of which each carbon becomes capable of forming stable bonds with other carbon atoms. This can be extended in the form of straight chain or branched chain or in the form of rings. Second property is tetravalency. Carbon having 4 electrons in its valence shell can share the 4 electron either with the other 4 carbon atoms or with any other elements. Our next question is, what will be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? Cyclopentane is a saturated cyclic compound that is without double or triple bond. Hence, in this case, the carbon shares 2 of its electrons with 2 other carbon atoms, forming a 5-membered ring. Take the screenshot. While the remaining 2 electrons are shared with 1 hydrogen each. The structure is given here. Draw the structures of the following compound: ethanoic acid, bromopentane, butanone, hexanal. All the structures are given here. Take the screenshot. Next question is, are structural isomers possible for bromopentane? So the answer is, structural isomers are possible for bromopentane. These are of two main types. First is position isomers, second is chain isomers. First, position isomers. These arises due to the different position of bromo group in the carbon chain. The chain is given here. Next is chain isomers. These arise due to the different numbers of carbon atoms in carbon compound chain. All the chains and structures are given here. Take the screenshot. Next question is, how would you name the following compounds? So you can see it is given here, all the three names are given here. Why is the conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid an oxidation reaction? So the answer is, ethanol being an alcohol has only one carbon atom, whereas ethanoic acid has two oxygen atoms. Take the screenshot. As addition of oxygen is called as oxidation, so conversion of C2H5OH to CH3COOH is an oxidation reaction. On the other hand, oxidation is also defined as process of removal of hydrogen, and during this conversion, number of hydrogen atom decreases from reactants to products. The reaction is given here. Next question is, a mixture of oxygen and ethane is burnt for welding. Can you tell why a mixture of ethane and air is not used? So the first point is, ethane is an unsaturated compound which undergoes incomplete combustion to give a yellow flame with lots of black smoke. This results in a sooty deposits on the metal plates to be welded. Hence, heat produced is low and high temperature required for welding cannot be attained. Next question is, what are oxidizing agents? So the answer is, oxidizing agents are substances which are capable of providing nascent oxygen to the other compounds for their oxidation. Example, to convert alcohols to carboxylic acid. Our next question is, would you be able to check if water is hard by using a detergent? Take the screenshot. So the answer is, hardness of water cannot be checked by using a detergent because detergents do not lead to the formation of scum. Next is, what is an homologous series? A series in which every succeeding compound differs from the previous one by CH2 group or by 14 AMU. Next question is, what change will you observe if you test soap with litmus paper? Soaps are alkaline, so it will turn red litmus blue and no effect on blue litmus paper. Next question is, what is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application? So the addition of hydrogen to unsaturated carbons in the presence of catalysts like platinum, nickel, etc. to give saturated hydrocarbons is called hydrogenation. The reaction is given here. Take the screenshot. This reaction is used for hydrogenation of liquid vegetable oil to get vanaspati ghee. Next question is, explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soaps. So the answer is, the dirt present on cloth is organic in nature and insoluble in water. It cannot be removed by only washing with water. When soap is dissolved in water, its hydrophobic ends attach themselves to the dirt and remove it from the cloth. Then the molecules of soap arrange themselves in missile formation and trap the dirt at the center of the cluster. These missiles remain suspended in the water, hence the dust particles are easily rinsed away by water. Next is, explain the formation of scum when hard water is treated with soap. So the answer is, scum is formed when soap molecule reacts with calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water. The formation of scum slows down the cleansing action and also results in wastage of soap. Next question is, which of the following hydrocarbon undergoes addition reaction? So the answer is, unsaturated hydrocarbons shows addition reaction, and these compounds, that is alkenes and alkynes, have GFC11H2H, and hence out of above compounds undergo addition reaction. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा जो कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड का पार्ट 3 है वो यहीं पर एंड होता है, और हमारा पूरा जो चैप्टर है कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड वो पूरा कम्प्लीटली एंड हो चुका है. स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा केमिस्ट्री का लास्ट चैप्टर था. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग.